Assalamu alaikum. Kevela Kois, Kesai TK. Good evening, brothers and sisters. Welcome. This is the short message for today about free will. Free will begins with you and what you allow. Your thoughts is where everything is approved and being allowed. Free will is your divine right. The only path towards remembering who you are and first step. Taking the first step takes courage. Courage you have in your heart. Everyone is born having the courage to fulfill their purpose. Allow and accept only those ideas and thoughts, images, etc. that originates from you and not somewhere else. Keep in mind that it's only the present moment, never past, never future, but only present moments. The only opinion that matters is yours and not of others. I believe you will make the right choices.